Da-da-da-da-dun, baby. Little row of brick and ivy down by the old freight line. Tea kettle hums in your window, I'm watching that curtain shine. You wave a dishcloth like a flag, flower on your cheek in the noon. Train rolls past with a rumble, but my heart hears you. In those railroad cottages, love, where the walls shake, pictures sway, you spin me around that tiny kitchen like a ballroom far away. Oh, the world rushes by on the tracks outside, but the time just stops when I see your eyes. In those railroad cottages, love, every whistle sounds like home. Neighbors share their Sunday stories over fences, over pie. Kids chase coins along the gravel as the boxcars clatter by. You mend my cuff in the doorway, thread dancing through your hair. Who needs a palace of marble when we've got this patch of land? In those railroad cottages, love, where the walls shake, pictures sway, you spin me around that tiny kitchen like a ballroom far away. Oh, the world rushes by on the tracks outside, but the time just stops when I see your eyes. In those railroad cottages, love, every whistle sounds like home. One day we might move uptown, find a house on a quiet street, maybe. But I'll still hear that distant thunder every time our fingers meet. Oh, darling, 'cause you taught my restless soul how to dance and how to stay, with a coffee cup, a crooked rug, and a kiss at the end of the day. In those railroad cottages, love, where the walls shake, pictures sway, you spin me around that tiny kitchen like a ballroom far away. Oh, the world rushes by on the tracks outside, but the time just stops when I see your eyes. In those railroad cottages, love, every whistle sounds like home. Every whistle sounds like home. Hey. In those railroad cottages, love.